Hello. I will present my article uh, for the conference. The paper ID it's about 1064, entitled Machine Learning Model to Enhance the Quality of Software Development Risk Management. It will be presented by Muhammad Ahmed Hamada, Abu Dhabi University. At the beginning, this is the main contents of our presentation. It's an introduction, risks in software development, the importance of software risk management, research problem, the importance of research methodology, and the main phases to build the research model, and the research results and conclusion. At the beginning, this research introduced a novel approach to software development risk management using machine learning. Also, this approach is based on the analysis of the historical data from the previous software project to predict and mitigate the risk in the future software development effort. By using the machine learning model, there are various factors such as the size of the team development of the project complexity, software budget, and the other factors that require to provide more accurate risk assessment and support the decision-making process to achieve an acceptable level of software quality development. The implementation and the benefits of using machine learning model for software development risk management will be explained in this research, including improve the efficiency, reduce the risk, and increase the predictability. Regarding to the risk in software development, all of us know that the software development is a complex and challenging process that require careful planning and effective risk management. The software development risk can come in different form, like including the technical risk, such as coding errors, security vulnerability, and software compatibility issues, and also the project risk, such as the budget overrun, the missed deadline, and changing the requirements during the project implementation. The managing this risk effectively can be daunting and a problem task, yeah, especially as in a huge software development project. It will become more complex and distributed, yeah. If you'd like to define what about the software risk management. Software risk management is a set of principles and practices aimed to identifying, analyzing, and handling risk factors to improve the chances of achieving a successful project outcome and avoid the project failure. It is a process of the identifying, controlling, and for any activity or event that can negatively influence and negatively impact in software development success. Yeah. About the research problem. If we'd like to explain the research problem, actually the traditional risk management approaches in software development can't detect the risks that can be happening during the software development. Yeah, we have a problem. And they can be limited in their ability to predict accurately and mitigate the risk in software. Also, this is the traditional approach is often based on the limited set of assumptions, which can result in inaccurate or complex or incomplete risk assessment. Additionally, this is traditional risk management techniques may not account for the dynamic nature of software development, where the risk can be changed rapidly and unpredictability. Yeah. Through the achievement and the machine learning, there is a growing opportunity to enhance software. So in this research will depend on the machine learning in the purpose of improve the predict of the risk factors for the software. Yeah. And also machine learning algorithm can analyze large volume of historical data from the past software project. If you ask about what is the importance of the software risk management, why we need to define the risks in software development. Actually, the software management, risk management can help us to avoid the software disaster, yeah, rework and overkill. And also it's about concentrate on the prevent or reduce the impact of risk factors. Yeah, because the risk can cause the project failure. And also, this can identify managerial and technical problem before they can happen or occur. Yeah, and the ability to detect and remove risk in early stage of software development lifecycle. Yeah, our research methodology. Uh, Actually, in this research, we will introduce a new risk management model. This is model, it will be developed based on the historical data of the previous software project that we collected, yeah. Also, this is the model, it will be based on conducting a survey, interview with the employee of the big four companies that work in the risk management to collect more informations and more factors about the risk management. Also using quantitative analysis to achieve the research result. Actually, the following steps are covered during the research methodology. Yeah. Firstly, reviewing and analyzing the well-known risk management models, collect and analyzing the types of risk dataset, development of risk management model using machine learning algorithm, and examine the result with the other model. Actually, there is no artificial model, yeah, for risk management. So in this step, we compare our result with the performance of the traditional risk management models. Yeah. Why are we using the machine learning and software risk management? Actually, machine learning algorithms can assist us in identifying the potential risk at an earlier stage, in the early stage, yeah, allowing team to address them before they become more serious and expensive to resolve. Because if the risk happened during the project, it will be very costly to resolve, yeah. So additionally, machine learning models can help us in resource allocation and decision making by providing more accurate and predictions of the project timelines, budget, and the resource requirement. Uh, for the research objectives, this research aims to present a new approach to software development risk management that utilizes machine learning to ensure more accurate risk assessment. Will be achieved through the following. Firstly, describe the steps involving in the implementation machine learning model, discuss the benefits of using the machine learning models for software development, risk management. Number three is provide an overview of challenges and limitations of this approach. Fourth, it will be offer practical insights and guidance for software development teams looking to adopt a more advanced risk management approach. Yeah. So how to build or what about the main phases to build the research model? Yeah. Actually, there are many phases to build the research model. Firstly, we work in data collection. Yeah. This is the first step, involve the collecting data on various factors that may affect software project. Yeah, like the main factors that impact, like about the project cost, the project team, the project experience for the project manager, yeah, the project complexity level, many factors it would be collected. Second step, it's about data pre-processing, yeah. In these steps, we collect data and pre-processed to eliminate any missing value inside the data. It's like about data cleaning, yeah, and remove relative informations inside data, yeah. Number three, it's about feature selection. In this step, the feature selections process involve selecting the most relevant features from the pre-processed data. Number four, it's about model training. In this step, we train our model through the various machine learning algorithms like decision tree, random forest, support vector machine. This is the help us to train the model using the pre-processed data. Yeah. Model evaluation, we evaluate our model by the performance of the machine learning algorithm is evaluated using the various metrics like accuracy. Yeah. And the finally, it's about the prediction. This is the best performing machine learning algorithm. It will be used to predict the risk factors that can be happen in software development project. Yeah. So this diagram can explain about the steps. Yeah. The how can we build our model with the starting with the input data about the project variables. Yeah. And after that, pre-processing the variables and the data processing. And after that, we working with the training the model and we evaluating and we get the results from the model. Yeah. About the data set. Yeah. Actually, our data set consists of 15 main risk factors. Yeah. And for these risk factors, for these main risk factors, we have 400 sub risk factors. Yeah. As input for the model. And data set collected from the related IT project and from the articles and from the collect data from the big companies which work in the risk management. So this is the main 15 risk factors. Yeah. This is only the main. Yeah. And we have 400 sub-risk factors. Yeah. To define what about the risk management. This is for the software project. Yeah. So these factors like about the project planning and control. It's about new and improved technology, system requirements, system architecture, performance, structure, about customer risk, about organizational and managerial risk, project scales, communications, estimations and schedule, quality, coding, understanding project, the post-construction. Yes, this is the main factors of risk. Yeah. And we have for this, but it's difficult to show, yeah, because we have 400 sub-risk factors. And after we process and build our model and the process data, yeah, so our model can generate the result. Yeah. Actually, through the training, the developed model show the good performance through the results of predicting the risk management factors. Yeah, for IT project, for software project. Yeah. According to the project parameters that we input to the model, yeah, because for each project is different case. For each software project is different case. Each software project, it depends on, yeah, the parameters like we explained before, like the project size, project team, project experience, budget, cost, complexity level. Yeah, we have different parameters. Yeah. And after we input these parameters, so the model can predict about risk factors it can be happen. Yeah, like of this, as you see, for analyzing one case, yeah, for one project, and after processing data of these parameters of the project, the models give us which risk factors it can be happen. Like of this case, yeah, for this project, the main risk factors first, regarding to the project planning and control, this is the undefined metrics for the project. Yeah, this is the sub factors, risk factor. And for new and improved technology, the project involved the use of new technology that hasn't been used in the period project, in the previous project. Yeah. For system requirements, we have some risk like requirement, it's a reliability not allocated to the software project. And also for system architecture, we have expansions of the functional requirement in the course of the project implementation. Yeah. So after processing the model, yeah, according to the case, according to the software, it can be give us which risk factors it can be happen in this project. Yeah. So this is a graphical user interface for the model, yeah, that can help us to input the parameters of the project, like the number of the employee inside the project, budget, yeah, all the parameters, yeah, the parameters of the project. And after that, we can make about the processing, and we can get about the risks it can be happen, yeah, with the some percentage of the risk factors. Yeah. So this is the graphical user interface for our model. Actually, we don't need only the factors. We have something, it's important. It's about the probability of risk factors. It means that if we have some risk factors, it can be happen. We know about which percentage for these risk factors it can be happen. Yeah. Actually, now we're working for this as a future result. Yeah. We try to make our model to predict also the percentage of the occurrence of the risk factors. Yeah. So our model now can predict which risk factors it can be happen. Yeah. And we working to predict which percentage of risk factors it can be happen. Yeah. So this is it will be depend about the probability of occurrence of the risk factors. Yeah. And this is the probability of occurrence. It will be take value from 0 to 1 or from 0 to 100%. Yeah. It's like about this is the risk factors. It can be happen by 50%, 60%, 90%. It can be very high. It can be 90%. Yeah. So this is depend on the severity of impact. Yeah. It's mean that this is refer to the potential impact of the risk factors on the project. Yeah. So this is also take value from 0 to 100%. Yeah. And if this is the value, it will be high. It's mean that this is the risk factors. It will be very risky. Yeah. And they can impact the project success and they can cause the software failure. Yeah. So this is our point now to work in the how can we define the probability of occurrence? Yeah, it's very important. Yeah. So this is the it will be strong point for our model. Yeah, to detect the probability of occurrence for the risk factors. Yeah. Also, these models can help project managers to prioritize the risk and allocate the resource more efficiently. Yeah, if we'd like to define what about the risk factors it can be happen, yeah, and we can, according to the severity of the risk factors, we can prioritize this is the risk factors, yeah, because we'd like to work and we'd like to define the resources that we can use to solve this problem and to mitigate this is risk factors to keep the project success. And also, this model can help us for the project manager to monitor and control the risk throughout the project and software lifecycle. Yeah. Actually, for our research conclusion, in this research, we develop risk management model using machine learning algorithm to predict the possible risk factors it can be happen. Yeah. In the project software. Yeah, this is it depend on the various project parameters like the project size, project complexity, and so on. Yeah, this model utilizes machine learning models. Yeah, to analyze large amount of data and generate accurate predictions regarding to the potential risk. This is also providing the valuable tools for the project manager to assess and mitigate the risk. Yeah, before they become significant issue. And this is development of this model represent significant step to forward in the field of risk management and also offers an innovative and reliable approach to manage the project risk. This research also has the potential to make significant impact on the project management field by providing and efficient and effective methods of risk assessment. This is to minimize and mitigate the risk in software development. Yeah, because the software development now is very costly. Yeah, and the failure, it will cause the high losses of money and the investment. So thanks so much. And if there is any questions, you can ask. Thank you. Thank you for your patience. Yeah. Goodbye.